Today's a fun day because it's time to repot this Christmas cactus. Look how bouncy it is. And this one actually is a true Christmas cactus. Most of the time what you see in stores, including what we sell during the holiday season, are Thanksgiving cactus, and there's a difference in the leaves. But this one was given to us a couple of years ago as a cutting from a 40-year-old Christmas cactus plant that a lady had that she brought in that we were able to repot. So our goal with this plant is to grow it out, get it really big, and then use it as a mother plant so that we can grow our own true to type Christmas cactus. Now, something that's a little bit different for a lot of you is I like to up pot to a much larger pot, which some of you might think that this is going to be too big to go from a 4-inch pot to, I don't know what this is, like a 9-inch pot, but it's going to be okay. In fact, when you put your plants into a larger size pot, they are going to grow much more quickly because they have more soil, more fertilizer, more room to expand. The only thing you have to be careful of is watching your moisture management and making sure that the soil's not staying too wet for too long, which could lead to root rot, but I'm a pro. So let's get to it. Today we are using our Lambert all-purpose potting soil, which succulents tend to like the soil a lot because it's very light and airy and it drains extremely well. All right, let's get to it. So I'm going to start by backfilling. Gonna need more soil. Sure of it. I'll check the height. That'll be pretty good there. I'm doing this one a little bit differently than I typically do, so I'm going to leave it in the pot for now and just put soil around it. It's just another different way of doing it instead of immediately taking out of the pot. I'll show you why here in a second. Okay, so now I've got this thing centered and leveled, and I'm just kind of lightly packing in the soil around the original pot. And what's going to happen is when I pull this out, it's going to leave a perfectly shaped hole to just drop the root ball right into there. Just kind of a backwards way of doing a repotting. All right, so pop that straight up. It's the perfect size. Now I'm going to take it out of its pot here and then go straight into that hole that we just made. This is going to be satisfying. Ready? Look at that.